setup, but let's finish the pound dollar anyway. From yesterday we have discussed that this is now from above the, as you see how beautiful the 157.60. I mean, from Sunday we had, I mean, that's about 230 pips right from the 157.06. So that structure point on the pound dollar is working beautifully. So again, we're looking for continuation to the upside, and we'll just have to stay with it on the longer term. The dollar, the other dollar pairs are quite interesting. Yeah, it is a beautiful move, Joe. Um, if you look at the dollar pairs, we have an interesting setup here in the dollar pairs. There is this serious weakness in the dollar yen. Okay, but with that, this is still the 85.94, which is the high of the range, is also your buy signal, and it's the previous day's low. So that, again, you're getting a couple of might be the beginning of some short covering. Yeah, but for the time being, we're staying short the dollar yen. But look at the dollar Swiss. This right there, right now, this is a buy signal on the dollar Swiss. For the dollar CAD, this is, again, you got another buy signal set up in the dollar CAD. So the dollar CAD is, I mean, the dollar yen, the dollar Swiss, the dollar CAD is beginning to get what is known as accumulation at the bottom. I mean, they're buying the lows now. Okay, so we're still going to short it if we have a sell signal below, but again, we just have to be careful with that. The euro dollar, again, it's the same thing as the setup that we had in the pound. It's, again, the trade above the 130 has been magnificent for us. And right now, you're still looking for the continuation to the upside. I will get to the pound Swiss in a second, but this is the euro. I mean, we have no reason, again, to consider being short the euro unless it gets below the 131.94. So until then, we're looking at being buyers. The pound Swiss, let's see the pound Swiss. Yeah, again, we're getting a similar break to the upside in the pound Swiss, and the Swiss is inherently weak lately. I mean, it has been tumbling against, especially against the pound and against the euro. But again, look at this. This is again, as you can, like, exactly like what you're saying, Louise. This is we got your overlapping 3 sessions overlapping. You got a beautiful trend to the upside. This is pretty much near the high. That's it. You just want to be looking to take the breakout to the upside. So this is also a pretty good, decent trade. I mean, your bias is to the upside. I mean, we're still in. I mean, we don't have any breakouts in any of the currencies as of yet. If you look at the euro Swiss also, you would see the same thing. See the euro Swiss now breaking to the upside. So there is inherent weakness in the Swiss as a whole. So one of your biases, if you see that the pound Swiss is going up, the euro Swiss is going up, and we're beginning to get some sort of a slight buy signal on the Swissy, then you might be looking at shorting the Swiss and going long the other pairs. Okay, so this is the basic bias for the New York session right now.